Hello everyone, it's Peter here. Welcome to the part 2 of the Hitachi, which I bought for £20. Well, 25 including the petrol, because I bought like 4 and I had to go to Edinburgh. So let's say £25 exactly, including the shipping cost, because TV was only £20. Now, I will be using the SLR just to show you what I will be doing. I need to cut off a bit of a tape. I prefer this way rather than my old ways of putting away paper. So let's see what I will be doing here. Okay, let's switch the view. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we will cut off some signals here on this by putting this tape on it. Okay, and then we will be able to see if that will make any difference on the picture or not. Here is not exactly equal. Okay, now it's not equal. Let's do first on this side, because we don't know which side is faulty. Okay, so now let's try to plug that in. Okay. Oh no, that's not too deep. Need to make it deeper. Come on. Doesn't want to go in now when I'm doing it. It should go deeper because I see there is a black line on it, and that should go deeper. So why? It's not as deep as I would want it. Okay, I need to unglue it then and make sure that I can do. Guys, I will pause it because it's taking me ages. I don't want you to wait for so long. Guys, good that I've paused it because it would take me ages. I had to remove the metal part here, and it's easier to do it from the top, you know, here. But I've done it for here. It's just that, you know, maneuvering is it's a nightmare. So anyways, let's see if it's worse or better or the same. Okay, so it's worse. Well, we've got a picture, but we've got disturbance in the picture. So part of the signal is let's switch it off. Part of the signal is blocked. Okay, so we don't need a DSLR. You've seen at the one. So I will continue until I will find, and then I will unpause it. I'll tell you exactly which segment I took apart so that it is working now fine. You only need to watch out and insert the cable to the very end, you know, slide it to the very end. If you won't be doing it to the very end, you might make a short circuit, and that can cost you the display pretty much, because you won't be able to bond a new cuff and get a new cuff to bond it. Then you've got a wasted TV and you can sell it on parts only. Yes, so watch out what you're doing because you can lose it easily. Okay guys, so what we see here is a good quality picture, yes, up on this side. Okay, now this is the cuff problem. This is due to the cuff connection issue. So I will have to open it and I will have to see what is causing that. Okay, so I don't know. Yes, I don't know if I will be able to fix it. Sometimes I am, sometimes I'm not. But in this case, if I see one section only, one of the connectors, cuff connectors, has either some liquid damage or just the damage, and that's causing the issue. So sometimes when you tap, you can fix it, like temp fix, not proper fix. But this time no. So that's what it is, guys. But the picture is okay, yes, so it's fine. So even if this TV wouldn't be a fix, yes, if I wouldn't be able to get the COV, it can be still used on this part, which is most of the screen, and sometimes there are cases where you can use it, even if you don't need it, you know. There are garages which have, let's say, a need for a CCTV, yes, so they can use it. Or other shops which they need CCTV and they want a cheap monitor, like big screen monitor, so you can still find the usage for this kind of problem without throwing it away, okay, or selling the main board and the power supply and then throwing away the display if you can't fix it yourself. So just be creative, you know, be creative and you can fix it. I'll try to fix it, okay. I don't know if I will be, but I will try to fix it. But I wanted to show you, you know, that it is possible. Yes, it is possible to fix it. And, you know, now the question is, you know, how advanced you are. Yes, because I was able to use only the tape, scissors, cut off the signal, and we get a good working TV on the most of the screen. Whereas the rest is the rest, you know, like, what can you do? But what I want to say is thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and I'll try my best to fix it. If I will fix it, if I will find a solution to that problem and that will be resolved, that will be third part to this video. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye. Thank you for liking or subscribing. Take care.